What does UFC stand for?
It stands for Ultimate Fighting Championship, the biggest mixed martial arts organization.
Who founded the UFC?
It was founded by Art Davie and Rorian Gracie in 1993.
Where was the first UFC event held?
The first event took place in Denver, Colorado.
What was the purpose of the first UFC event?
It aimed to determine which martial art was the most effective in real combat.
How has the UFC evolved over time?
It has grown from a small tournament to a global sports organization.
What fighting styles are allowed in the UFC?
Fighters can use boxing, wrestling, jiu-jitsu, kickboxing, and other martial arts.
How are UFC fights divided?
They are divided into weight classes to ensure fairness.
How many rounds are in a UFC fight?
Most fights have 3 rounds, while title fights have 5.
How long is each round in the UFC?
Each round lasts 5 minutes with a 1-minute break between rounds.
Who is considered the greatest UFC fighter of all time?
Many fans consider Jon Jones, Khabib Nurmagomedov, or Anderson Silva among the greatest.
What is the octagon in UFC?
It's the 8-sided cage where fighters compete.
Why is the UFC cage octagonal?
It allows better movement and safety for fighters.
What are UFC gloves like?
They are open-finger gloves designed for striking and grappling.
How do UFC fighters win a match?
They can win by knockout, submission, decision, or disqualification.
What is a knockout?
It happens when a fighter is rendered unconscious by a strike.
What is a submission in UFC?
It's when a fighter forces their opponent to give up using a hold or choke.
What does a decision mean in UFC?
It's when judges decide the winner after all rounds are completed.
How many judges score a UFC fight?
3 judges score each fight.
What is a unanimous decision?
It means all judges agree on the winner.
What is a split decision?
It means 2 judges pick one fighter and 1 judge picks the other.
What is a TKO in UFC?
It's a technical knockout when the referee stops the fight because one fighter can't defend.
How are UFC fighters ranked?
They are ranked based on performance, wins, and recent fights.
What is a UFC title fight?
It's a match where the championship belt is on the line.
Who was the first UFC champion?
Royce Gracie won the first UFC tournament in 1993.
How are UFC champions determined?
They win by defeating the current title holder in their division.
What is a rematch in UFC?
It's a second fight between the same 2 opponents.
What is a trilogy fight?
It's when 2 fighters face each other 3 times.
Who is Dana White?
He is the president of the UFC and a key figure in its success.
When did Dana White become UFC president?
He took over in 2001 after the organization was bought by Zuffa.
Who owns the UFC now?
It is owned by Endeavor Group Holdings.
What is a UFC pay-per-view event?
It's a major fight card that fans buy to watch live.
How many weight divisions are in the UFC?
There are 12 divisions across men's and women's categories.
What is the lightest men's weight class?
The lightest class is flyweight at 125 pounds.
What is the heaviest weight class in UFC?
The heaviest is heavyweight up to 265 pounds.
What is a UFC interim title?
It's a temporary championship when the main champion is inactive.
What is a UFC fight night?
It's a smaller event held between big pay-per-view cards.
What is a main event?
It's the most important fight on a UFC card.
What is a co-main event?
It's the second biggest fight of the night.
What are prelims in UFC?
They are the earlier fights before the main card.
How are fighters paid in the UFC?
They earn show money, win bonuses, and sometimes performance bonuses.
What is a performance bonus?
It's extra money for fighters who deliver exciting fights or finishes.
What is fight of the night?
It's an award for the most entertaining fight on the card.
What is knockout of the night?
It's given to the fighter with the best knockout.
What is submission of the night?
It rewards the most impressive submission.
What is UFC Apex?
It's the UFC's private arena in Las Vegas used for smaller events.
What is UFC's home city?
Las Vegas, Nevada is considered its main base.
How many fighters are signed to the UFC?
There are usually over 600 fighters under contract.
How often do UFC fighters compete?
They usually fight 2 to 3 times a year.
What is a training camp?
It's a preparation period before a fight lasting about 6 to 8 weeks.
What do fighters focus on in training?
They work on striking, grappling, strength, and conditioning.
Who are some famous UFC champions?
Fighters like Conor McGregor, Khabib Nurmagomedov, and Amanda Nunes are well-known champions.
What makes Conor McGregor famous?
His knockout power, charisma, and achievements in 2 weight divisions.
Who is Khabib Nurmagomedov?
He is a retired undefeated lightweight champion from Russia.
Who is Amanda Nunes?
She is a dominant female champion who held 2 titles simultaneously.
What is the significance of UFC 100?
It was a landmark event celebrating the organization's growth.
What was the first women's UFC fight?
It was Ronda Rousey versus Liz Carmouche in 2013.
Who was the first female UFC champion?
Ronda Rousey became the first women's bantamweight champion.
What is UFC Embedded?
It's a YouTube series showing behind-the-scenes footage of fighters before events.
What is The Ultimate Fighter?
It's a reality TV show where fighters compete for a UFC contract.
Who won the first season of The Ultimate Fighter?
Forrest Griffin won the first season in 2005.
How has The Ultimate Fighter helped UFC?
It helped boost the sport's popularity and attract new fans.
What are fight camps known for?
They build discipline, endurance, and strategy before big fights.
What is a walkout in UFC?
It's when fighters enter the arena with their chosen music.
Why do fighters cut weight?
They reduce body weight to compete in a lower weight class.
What are the risks of weight cutting?
It can cause dehydration and fatigue if not done carefully.
What is the weigh-in ceremony?
It's when fighters officially check their weight before the fight.
What happens if a fighter misses weight?
They are fined and sometimes the fight is canceled.
What is an open workout?
It's a public training session before a big event.
What is UFC's biggest event ever?
UFC 229 featuring Khabib versus McGregor was the highest selling event.